In this video, we are going to prepare our computer to work with the examples of this module. We are going to create two files, which are going to be a JavaScript file and an HTML file. So let me start by creating that JavaScript file, new text document, and I'll say examples.js, enter. And also let me create that HTML file, so index.html, enter. Now I want to open this folder in Visual Studio Code, so I will shift right click here, open PowerShell window here to have this terminal here, and I will say code.enter, and that will open the current folder in Visual Studio Code. So let me make a simple test here. I will go to the examples.js file and I will simply say console log hello world, and I want to run this code. So I will go to a terminal, new terminal, and then I will say node examples.js, enter. And as you can see, we have hello world here, which means that we were able to run this file. Now I want to do something similar for index.html, so let me go there, let me close this, and let me start coding. I will make a simple HTML document, HTML here, head, body, and here I will say span hello world. Now how do I run this? We can use an extension so that we can just right click here and run it. So let's go to the extensions tab here, and I'm looking for an extension called live server. You can click on here and you can install this. I already have it installed, so I am good to go. After installing it, you should be able to come back here, right click here, and then open with live server. And this will mount the application into a server. In our case, it is localhost. We have here the index.html, and here we have the hello world text. With this, we are good to go to start working on the examples of this module.